So if your dehumidifier bucket is worn out, filled with water, and you have to get a new one, it comes like this, it wraps in plastic, and it's not really clear what you're supposed to do with it. Just in case you've missed the instructions, here they are right here. You want to open the top, put the mesh filter with the tip on top, pour the beads in it, reseal. So it's a pretty simple process. First you want to do is remove this plastic. You don't need that. Remove that plastic top, save this. Don't do anything with this. You need that filter screen or whatever on the top. This is the mesh filter. That is the tip that goes on top. These are the beads. You'll notice that this thing has a little bit of a ledge right there. So you want to get this piece, put this like this. This thing goes on top, okay? Here's the desiccant. You can see it has a little tear thing on the end there, or you can cut it open with scissors. You want to just open it up and pour it in the tub. You want to make sure none of these kind of get out anywhere. Get them nice and level. Doesn't have to be perfect. Reseal this. Screw it down nice and tight. Then you want to put it out of reach of any kids or pets or anything like that. This desiccant is not super nice stuff. It's not like mega toxic or anything like that, but you don't want this anything near kids or pets or anything like that. And this thing is going to be good for a long time. Then I would recommend putting the date somewhere on it, just so you know about how long this thing is going to be good for. Usually I would say about 6 months, but it's going to depend on your environment. So write the date on here. That way in 6 months, you know this thing's good to go. If it's filled with water and there's no beads left, you can be pretty sure that you need to get a new one. But just in case and you're not sure, definitely write the date on there and then you're good to go. Forget about it and buy another one in 6 months. Thanks for watching.